This tutorial is to go over some of the tools that Google Drawings has and how to use them. First of all, you're going to want to open a new Google Drawing. Once you're in a Google Drawing, you're going to have to create some shapes for your landscape. The easiest way to make a shape is to go to your shape tool. If the item you're trying to create is a regular shape, you can go ahead and just use one of the pre-selected shapes. If it's not, and it's something you need to draw, then you're going to want to go to the curved tool, which allows you to create a round shape, or you're going to go to the Polyline tool. Polyline tools will create a more jagged shape. Another tool you might need is the Undo button. This arrow right here will undo any shapes, color fills, or shadows that you've created. If you want to redo something because you like it and you accidentally undid it, you click the Redo button. Some other tools that are helpful, the Select arrow. Clicking the Select arrow allows you to grab some of the shapes you've created and move them around the screen. Once you click the Select arrow, you can also stretch or grow your shapes. If you double-click a selected shape that you drew, you will get these little purple dots. You can then adjust the shape, by dragging those little purple dots. To make the dots go away, click outside of the shape and it goes away. Another cool tool to use is the Fill bucket. In this tool, you can change the color, you can change gradient, so you could change it by using custom, and you can change the colors in your gradient. Remember, gradient means it changes from light to dark or from color to color. So if I want the inside of this to be a little lighter, I could click a lighter purple and then hit OK, and now I have a gradient or a fade color inside of my shape. If I want to add more colors inside of that gradient, I click Add. This will allow me to adjust how the colors sort of fade into each other. I can change that color. And I can create a lot of different value changes or color changes. Another tool that's helpful is the border tool. Turning off your borders in this type of drawing is helpful. It will make a more smooth transition from object to object. To turn off your borders or to change the border color, you click the border, that little pencil. To make them go off, click Transparent. If you do want them to be the color of the object you're making, you can change it to a color. Another tool you're going to want to use is the Arrange tool. To use the Arrange tool, you need to select an object. And then you're going to be able to position it so that it's either in the foreground, the midground, or the background. If I want to arrange this shape, I can go Arrange, Order, and I can make it step backwards. That's kind of cool. It makes it look like it's kind of hidden. I can change it so that it goes all the way to the back. Now it's totally hidden. I could change it so that it comes back to the front. So to change the order or the placement of your items, you use the Arrange tool. The last thing that you might want to use is inserting an image. This little picture right here will allow you to upload from your computer, or you can search the web.